Hello everybody. Let's try this for the 4th time. My GoPro has been acting up. Let's see if it starts to work. I'm trying to race to get to my wife's job. Let's see. Hopefully it continues to record. I hope so. Now we will be on the road. That was a good test. I hope I am still recording and it doesn't stop on me. Oh, dang it. My nose is itchy. My hair sticking out of my helmet. It's the downside to having long hair. Just always gets in the way. Hate it. Am I going to make it? I don't know. Oh, crazy news. Not good or bad. Crazy news that the GoPro Hero 11 is coming out in 2 days. Yeah, this recording is September 12th. So November 14th, the GoPro Hero 11 will be out. Looks like there's a mini as well that's coming out. And looks like all the same features of the 10 is moving on up, and it looks like they have upgraded the color bit, the bits, the megabits or whatever on the color range. Go straight. Yeah. They are doing some big things. It's the next generation ish. Yep. I think I am going to upgrade, because right now I'm recording on the Hero 8. The battery just is no good. The battery sucks. It's terrible on the Hero 8. You experience a lot of overheating of the battery and the GoPro itself. Like, it just doesn't last long. That's my biggest downfall of this Hero 8. It just sucks. I'm looking forward to the new Enduro batteries. I'm looking forward to the new GP2 processor on it. Hopefully the media mod isn't like too crazy. Like, hopefully you can still use the Hero 9 media mod for it. Yeah, because this channel needs a new camera setup, and hopefully this thing is still recording. If not, then you won't see a video. If it is, then cool. I had to like reset this GoPro to factory settings and then format my SD card and all that stuff, so I did a little sample footage. I recorded a random spot in my house for like an hour and a half, and it recorded the hour and a half, so hopefully this records as well. Let's see if I make it. I don't know. I doubt it. This way. Yep, buddy mine lives on this street, so I'm pretty familiar with it. But yeah, I am looking forward to getting it. Hopefully it will add benefit to this channel. Now to race on over to I don't know how to get to there from that way. Oh. Come on, Indiana plates. Let me stay behind a little bit because I don't think anyone can see me. Hope this is still recording. Honestly, nah, I think I might go back home just to see if this thing is recording still. Looks like it.